Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Word. My goal in this video is for you to become proficient in Word. If you have never used Word before, or even if you have used it before, in this video I'm going to show you the features and functionalities that will make you an expert and make you more proficient in Word. Let's say you are going for a job or you are going for an assessment and you are asked to demonstrate, and they want you to demonstrate that you know how to use Word. If you are watching this video, you know how to do that. So now what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing program that you can use to create both simple and complex documents. So with Microsoft Word, you can create documents, you can create resumes, you can create newsletters, you can create contracts, you can create any other document you can imagine. So Microsoft Word allows you to create various types of documents. So with Microsoft Word as well, you can create documents, you can edit the documents, you can print and save the documents. So now let's go through the interface of Microsoft Word. So now this is the Microsoft Word interface. So here you have the various parts of these Microsoft Word interface. So we have here the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar allows you to store or arrange the frequently used commands. You can see these three commands are there by default. You have the save, the undo, and the redo. Okay, so then you have the ribbon. The ribbon is right here. So each tab will show you different ribbon. When you click on it, you just click on the home tab, you have a display of ribbon. So you have the insert tab. So then you have the ribbon showing here. So the ribbon just consists of the tabs as well as the groups of commands. So like the home tab now, home tab has the unique ribbon consisting of the clipboard group. So in the clipboard group, you have the paste, you have the copy, you have the cut, you have the format painter. Okay, so then you have the font group that consists of all the formatting tools you can use on your documents. So you have the font group with the fonts box here, so that you can use to apply various font styles. So that here you have a whole lot. So here, so then you have the font size box. The font size box allows you to change the font, the size of the font, or the font here. You can just change to different font size you want. So depending on the one you want, just this has been changed to 20. So you can see you can grow the fonts. You can as well reduce the size. You can increase the size by clicking on the increase font size command, or you can as well decrease the font size here. So you have the font group, you have the paragraph group, you have the styles group, you have editing group, then the add-ins. Then you go to the insert tab. Insert tab as well display a new set of ribbon. A new ribbon. So you can see on insert tab you have the pages group, you have the tables group, you have illustrations group, you have media group, you have links, you have comments, header and footers group. Header and footer group, you have the text, you have the symbols group. So we go to the draw tab, drawing tools, stencils, edit, convert, insert, replay. So then another tab here is design. You have the themes, the document formatting, you have the page background group. So then go to another tab here, this design tab. So that has the page background and themes. Then you have the layout tab, you have page setup group, you have paragraph group and arrange group on the layout tab. And references tab, you have table of contents group, you have a footnote group, research group, citations and bibliography group, captions group, index, table of authorities. Then you have the mailings group, you have create group, you have start mail group, you have write and insert fields group, you have preview result group, and finish group. Then you go to the review tab as well. displays the new set of ribbon. With the group you have proofreading group, you have speech, you have accessibility, you have language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protect in group. Then go to a view group, you have views group, immersive page movement, you have show, zoom, window, macros, and share points. All these are the group. Then switch windows group still under the window group. So all are the various group. The another thing I want to show you is the backstage group. So the backstage view, the backstage view is the view that you have when you click on the file tab. So this is the backstage view. So backstage view shows different items here. So here you have home, you have new, that allows you to create a blank document. So if you need to create a blank document, just click on new, then click on blank document. So this will take you to a blank document. So still click on the view tab to return click on the file tab to return to the backstage view. So when you click on the backstage view, it takes to the, when you click on the file tab, it takes you to the backstage view. So click on the file tab, takes you to the backstage view. Click on the file tab, takes you to the backstage view. So you have the home, you have new, then open, that allows to open existing document. So this existing document that you have created, you can just click on it and it takes you to the existing document. So then you have get add-ins, you have info, you have save, then save as, then you have print, you have share, you have export, then close. Okay, so those are the things you have when you click on the file tab that's on the backstage view. So once you click on the file tab, it takes to the backstage view. So let's see all these that's talking about the introduction to Microsoft Word. So now the Word interface is what is showing here. Then we want to see how you can create a new file. So to create a new file, you can use as well the shortcut, which is Control N, So let's go to a new file. So you can just press on your keyboard Control N. So Control N. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, well, let me show you as well. If you want to open a new Word program, you can just type it in the search box. So this is talking about opening a new Word. So this is just the starting point. Just click and a new Word document is going to open that for you. So that's just a way of opening the Word document. Okay, it's loading. The version I'm using is Office 2021. You can see it there. So that's just used to create a new document. Okay, still loading. Good. So you can click on the blank document. So looking at the shortcut for creating a new document, just Control N. So your keyboard, you can just press Control N. Okay, that's to open a new document. And another thing I need to tell you about is the title bar. Is that okay? So the title bar displays the name of the document. So anytime you have a new document open, you are either going to have document 1, document 2, document 3, and so on, depending. If I open that one as well, it's going to show document 4. So now, if you want to save this, you just go to the file tab, then go to save as, and you can click on browse to select the location you want the file to be saved. So you want it to be saved on the document or the desktop. So you click on a document, you'll be able to save it. So let's look at introduction. We save this as introduction to Microsoft Word. Go to Microsoft Word, so you click on the location. So by default, it's set to documents. So then here as well, you can choose the various formats you want your document to be saved. So by default, it's saved it displays Word documents. So Word documents, so you can save as PDF and any other format here you can select. So this PDF, we need to save as PDF and just click on save. So let's save this as the normal Word document. So you select the location so that it is easier for you to locate when next you need the document. So you click on save. So what that's done, you can see that's on the title bar, which was earlier showing document 4 has been changed. Introduction. Okay, this has to as well rename this is not correct actually. So if I'm going to do that, I can go to the documents folder and the document and I rename this. So this is it. I rename this as introduction. You can see that. So introduction. Okay. So because the document is open, I have to close it first of all. So let's go and close that document so that I'll be able to save it properly using the right spelling of introduction. So I go back, I click rename as introduction. So with this now it will allow, it has been closed. So introduction, so I reopen it. You can see that. So I reopen it. So that's a quick reopen, so it's been opened. Okay, so this is the document. So we want to look at the other shortcut. So this okay, so I've talked about the shortcut. Let me just put it out here. Okay, the introduction. Okay, so the shortcut for saving a document has a control S. So that's for saving the document. If I need to save a document, I just type Control S. Control S for saving a document. So that's equal to save. Then we look at Control O. That's for opening a document. You can use this to open a document. You also open a document. Okay, so let's increase this. So that's to open a document, use the Control O. Then to open a new document, that's Control N, new. Okay, so Control N, new. So that is how you can create a document. We are able to look at this basic shortcuts. So these are the basic shortcuts for Word. So you can use in Word. So you can use Control S to save. You just press the Control key and S, then you can see that it will take you to where you'll be able to save. So you can just click more option and click the browse and select another location. So now we type introduction to Word. Let's say MS Word, which is Microsoft Word, MS Word. Okay. So you click the location and click save. Okay, so that is how you save your document. So you can see it's been saved. So this is where we will stop for today. So ensure you go over this video and understand it better. So till next class, we're going to meet in the next class. So see you in the next class. Bye for now. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.